This is the ISS tracker and it helps me track the International Space Station. This simple device shows me the real-time distance between ISS and my current location and notifies me whenever the ISS is in visibility at my location in the sky. ISS is the most expensive thing that human beings have made so far. It orbits around Earth every 90 minutes and stays at an altitude of about 400 kilometers above the Earth's surface. We can spot it during night when the sky is clear, so mostly during summer because the sky is much more clear during the summer. Moreover, NASA provides the current location of ISS publicly and also provides a free API for the same. Now here is an interesting thing. We can communicate with anyone using ISS radio repeater when it is passing over our location, and if we are lucky we can even get a reply from the astronauts if they are on the radio at the same time. So I wanted to build a unique system that can notify me whenever the ISS passes over my location. So to build it, I will use NodeMCU board because it has an integrated Wi-Fi shield that will help me to connect to the internet and call the NASA API for its current location. Then I will add a buzzer and a green LED to notify me when ISS is overhead. I will also use 7 red LEDs to show me the 7 different ranges of distance between my location and the ISS. So when I want to show maximum distance between us, only one LED will glow, and as the ISS comes closer to my location, more and more LEDs will glow, and when it is at minimum distance, all the LEDs will glow. Coming to the coding part, I have included some libraries. These 2 libraries are for NodeMCU and this one is for Wi-Fi client on the NodeMCU board. Arduino JSON library will be used to convert the longitude and latitude that we will receive in JSON data from ISS API to floating point numbers. Then I have included this utility library to use the pair data structure. Then I have declared these variables to store my Wi-Fi name and password. And this is our API endpoint. And I have declared my longitude and latitude here. And here I declared our LEDs and buzzer. And these are some variables that we will be using further as helper. Now let's see our setup part. Here I have declared pins for red LEDs, green LED and buzzer. And this code will be used to connect NodeMCU to our Wi-Fi. Now let's see our functions. So getCoordinates function will be used to call the API and pass longitude and latitude from it and then return them as pair of floating point numbers. GetDistance function will accept the longitude and latitude of ISS as arguments and calculate the longitudinal distance between our location and ISS and then return it. ShowStatus on LED function will glow the LEDs based on the distance that is returned by getDistance function. Now let's see our loop function. Here we are calling these functions every 5 seconds to update the status of LEDs. So that's pretty much our code, and I will provide the link to this code in the description. So I have set my current location as the southern part of South America, so it is right here, and as the ISS get closer to it, this LED will show status like this, and when it will be just above it, then this green LED will glow and the buzzer will buzz. Finally the green LED has started to blink, and it means that we can see the ISS in the sky at this location. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.